Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to use your work in an artist model with clear references to your artist. So I'm just going to share my screen with you. And I'm going to take you to Photoshop, which you should have. If you haven't got it, you will have to use Pixlr. I think if you need it, just let me know. Okay, you can download it anyway. What I wanted to do is I'll just give you a bit of an overview of, whoops. We're going to try and do a kind of Robert Kushner style painting with some of the works that I have done. Okay, so it's not going to look like this, but it's going to have elements of this sort of thing in it. I could go crazy with it, but I'm just going to be very simple, keep it very simple. And oops, we don't need that one at the moment. And there's another Kushner style. You can see how he uses these kind of rectangular areas and different colors in those rectangular areas. Okay, we're going to come over here now and just have a look at, I think, somewhere in here. I have got here. Here we go. I started with this, which is a picture of a little bird that I did. And I also was using this one. It's a painting of a flower that I did. Okay, and I wanted to put the two together and have it kind of referencing Robert Kushner. So I first of all made a PNG, which is just isolating the bird onto our background. And I desaturated it. So I used the little selection tool, quick selection tool, to isolate the bird. I'll go away. And then I brought in a background. And I think that's it. Oops. That's it there. I brought in the flower background, so I'll just show you how I did that. So I just selected that, Control A and Control C, go to the bird picture, Control V, and I pasted it in, and it's gone underneath. It's gone underneath the bird. If it goes on top, you just have to pull the layers above. Pull the bird above the flower layer. Okay, so how do we do this? We need to use. If we have a look at his work. Where are we? There we go. He's got a nice little square of blue there, so we're going to do that. We're going to use this pink square. There's dark browns down here as well, or as near to it as we can. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put on the blue square up here, just using the rectangular tool. And I'm just going to use making sure that you're working on the actual the flower layer when you do this. Go on here, change the hue and saturation. So it kind of goes blue. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. And we want that to. Okay, that'll do. And then water that, we can add colour balance. Do a little bit of colour balance on there as well. Not too much, is it? There we go. Okay. Now on this side here, he had a kind of orange square. Have a look at that picture. Oops. Again, oh, pinky square. So I'll put that pinky square in the background there. Change the hue and saturation of color balance with maybe just color balance with this. Come on. Change. It won't let you do. Not going to let you go into color balance. Oh, you see this? finally. Okay, we're going to go pink. And here, some pink. Leave that there. Here we go, nice and pink. Okay. Now we want some dark brown one down here. Let's move this up a little bit so you can see what we're doing. And down here, oops. I just have to push that down a bit. Okay. We want it to go kind of browny colour. Not sure how else to go with this. It's a colour balance as well, that beats me. Oh. Yeah. So it's only changing the bottom layer, it's not affecting the bird at all. Still think we need a bit more with this one. I'll put it up a bit, that's better. Take a bit of the colour out. There you go. That's what we like it. Okay, and then we're going to do another square up here. And let's have a look and see what he did. Okay, he's got orange on that one and dark brown at the top there, so we'll do that. Yeah. And too good for me. I'll try the saturation on that one as well. Yeah. And that just okay, so we've got that there, and we might just do that bright orange just down the bottom here, just to keep it all keeping with the cushion one. Let's see if we can get that to go bright orange. I might need to use a bit of nothing around with that too. Better. Don't take too much. Okay, so it's not brilliant, but it does give me a bit of a I'll just zoom out so you can see. There we go. Here's my Robert Kushner style painting. Okay, and we can just save that off as a copy. So it didn't take very long. Just that was check This is a Robert Kushner, don't we? Robert Kushner. Okay. There we go. So if I wanted to do a Christine Kim style, I'm just going to show you what I did with it. So I'm just going to take that background off and put another one on. Turn that on, come on. Here we go. So this is kind of like Christine Kim, who does the cutouts. And that's about me. So I hope that helps you come up with some ideas on what you could do, just using the works that you've already got. And